Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network. Hi, this is Amit Doshi, and I wanted to thank each and every one of our listeners. It's been 2 years since I founded IVM, and it's been an amazing 2 years. We wanted to learn a little bit more about who is listening to our shows, and so we put together a short survey. The survey is anonymous, and we aren't going to be collecting any personal information. I would really appreciate it if you could take a couple of minutes out of your day and go to ivmpodcast.com/survey and fill it out. Thanks, and please keep listening.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
ओकिफ सब लेगा ओकिफ। पंडित जी ओकिफ लोगे? सबक सिखाया?
नहीं, सबक तो नहीं सिखाया, लेकिन मजबूरी नाम की भी एक चीज होती है।
ओकिफ लेके फंसने वाला है इस बार पब्लिक, तुम्हें लगता है ऐसा?
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि इट वाज अ फ्लैश इन द पैंट स्टोरी, नो क्वेश्चन अबाउट इट। हु वुड हैव थॉट अबाउट इट? एटलीस्ट हम तो उस लाइंस पे सोच नहीं पाए, लेकिन जनता जनार्दन का क्या भरोसा है यार।
यस
बट वी पिक हिम again, like I said, because of the budget issues. I'll be highly surprised if people omit him from their squad, not for any points basis, but purely for the budget issue.
Okay.
And then in any case, you need at least 4 people from Australia, right? If at all you want to pick 7 from India.
मतलब फैंटेसी क्रिकेट का टॉपिक दिया तो बोलते ही जाने का ना, वेलकम भी नहीं करने का पब्लिक को। वेलकम गाइस, वेलकम।
बातों से वेलकम हो जाता है, इन द प्रोसेस है वो।
Okay, let me welcome them. Welcome guys to the brand new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. आज के एपिसोड में we'll look upon India versus Australia, आपको पता चल गया होगा. Also we'll touch upon the decider, South Africa, New Zealand. Last ODI है, ज्यादा चेंजेस नहीं हो गए. So first we'll start with India versus Australia. O'Keefe has been the talking point, but you know वो turning pitch में O'Keefe के बॉल टर्न नहीं हो रहे थे. That was the wicket taking delivery for them, and that's why you know he could pick so many.
अगर गलती से बॉल टर्न हो जाती है बैंगलोर में तो उसको विकेट नहीं मिलेगा. बट इनफ ऑफ दिस लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इंडिया मैन.
यस कमबैक है.
मुझे लगता है कमबैक होना चाहिए. सीरीज के लिए अच्छा है.
विराट कोहली का होम है.
विराट कोहली का होम है. यस. सॉरी टू ऑल द पीपल फ्रॉम दिल्ली, बट यस, ही इज फ्रॉम दिल्ली, बट हिज हार्ट इज इन बैंगलोर. सो आई थिंक वेदर आई रेड, of course I don't trust this weather calling and prediction and all. You don't know, man. See, at the end of the day, Mother Nature is Mother Nature.
Yeah.
Regardless of the innovation, evolution, whatever you want to talk, you can't match, you can't prevent. So let that be in its place. You focus on the 22 yards.
But is there a threat of any rain?
For sure. But again, it shouldn't matter. What we saw in Pune was a 3-day affair.
Yeah.
We could see a repeat of that in Bangalore. This is regardless of the intervention, मैच खत्म हो जाएगा, मुझे लगता है ऐसे. क्योंकि वहां की जो पिच है ना, yes, it aids the batsmen, and initially there will be some movement or swing for the seamers. But अभी ऐसा है कि we fell into our own trap. So we have learnt a lesson, and I still feel for us to win, spinning track is a must, because we have to play to our strength. The Aussies outthought, outclassed, outsmarted us, no question about it. But the reality is ये हमारा ताकत है, इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. और जो फॉर्म है बरकरार रखने के लिए कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत जरूरी होता है. और मेरे ख्याल में विराट कोहली, अनिल कुंबले, इनका जो मैं प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस सुन रहा था, जबरदस्त एटीट्यूड है एंड एक दूसरे पे भरोसा है. एंड आई स्टिल फील okay, we can't go on and on talking about the preview. We have to come back to fantasy cricket, but I feel India will still wrap it up.
Okay.
Which brings me to the fantasy cricket team. Batsmen, I would pick only 2 from India, and that would be Cheteshwar Pujara and Virat Kohli.
By the way, Australia का probables आ गया है.
That's correct. Australia probable नहीं भाई.
Starting 11. Yeah. They don't care. Huh?
They don't care, regardless of where they are playing, against whom they are playing. They are always... See, this is one thing I like about them, the certainty, the confidence, the conviction. This is the 11 that is going to take the field tomorrow. Deal with it. And not surprising, no changes. They have retained the same team from the game in Pune. So, Matt Renshaw, हम उसको नहीं लेने वाले. वो बीमार कीड़ा है. तो मेरे को पता नहीं कि वो पुणे का मिसल पाव खा लिया, अब जाके बैंगलोर में क्या खाएगा, मुझे पता नहीं. तो अगर आपको लेना है तो उसको आप बाथरूम में ले सकते हो. But on a serious note, I just feel Steven Smith and Peter Handscomb. Nikhil, if you remember, I said a few things about Peter Handscomb when he was playing for RPS, and we said he's one of the best players of spin bowling in the Australian team.
Okay.
And he proved that in the first test match.
Yes.
We pick him once again because at number 5, you need somebody who can really anchor the show.
Yeah.
If Steven Smith is at the crease, fantastic. But you need that kind of a solidity, that kind of an assurance from someone. And this guy exudes, which is why I pick him in the team.
Okay.
Along with, obviously, the skipper.
Okay. Okay. So you're skipping David Warner again.
बजट नहीं है भाई मेरे पास.
This is, guys, I'll tell you, ये बंदे के साथ मेरा झगड़ा होता था because in every match he used to pick Warner. मतलब बायसनेस इतना ज्यादा कि किधर भी मैच होने तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया का वार्नर रहना चाहिए. आई एम सरप्राइज्ड कि यू आर स्किपिंग वार्नर.
Answers your first question. Biasness करके कुछ था ही नहीं. Okay, that is number 1. Number 2.
श्रीलंका याद है ना, एक ही सेंचुरी.
See, you have to see. श्रीलंका इतनी बड़ी टीम नहीं थी, बजट का इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. इंडिया में हम कई दिग्गजों के साथ खेल रहे हैं तो कभी कभार किसी ना किसी को छोड़ना पड़ता है. क्या करें अभी आप बताओ. मुरली विजय, अजिंक्य रहाणे का मेरा बायस है, मैंने उसको लिया था बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ही फेल्ड. I want to pick him, but sometimes you have to go with form, and that's where I think Pujara is much better.
Yeah, true.
Pujara has done well for us recently. Ajinkya Rahane's spot is not under any doubt because Anil Kumble, अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि मैं उसे टीम में लूं ना लूं, अगर अच्छा लगता है तो बिल्कुल लो, क्योंकि he is confirmed in the playing 11.
Yeah.
This is also an information from Anil Kumble. So, but we haven't gone with him. We picked Pujara. Pujara has, I think he scored 250s out of 2 matches in Bangalore. We pick him. In fact, he's our vice captain. The reason why we are not picking Kohli as a captain or vice captain is because I think the Australians are going to come hard at him.
Okay.
Mitchell Starc knows the conditions in Bangalore. Remember, he played for the Royal Challengers Bangalore.
Yes.
He knows Virat Kohli's strengths and weaknesses, right? And he fetched that ball wide outside the off stump. That was, वो कहते हैं ना, वो उसने उसको चिढ़ाया और वो फंस गया. दोबारा हो सकता है ये.
Yes.
And I think Australia will come hard at Kohli. Kohli is also a very, very aggressive, very hostile guy. When the pressure is on him, it's going to mount with every hour. And I somehow feel that it's not going to be his test match in Bangalore.
Okay.
I just feel because of the pressure, because of the expectation, because of so much is happening around one man in India, man. I think he's doing a lot better than our PM, Modi. I'm only talking. So, yes, he's earned it. Boss, somebody from Germany called him and said, boss, I want to meet you one day. And this is obviously, I'm talking about Boris Becker.
Yeah.
So this guy is hitting the right button every single time. He's doing everything perfect. The world is at his feet. But ये जो कहते हैं ना, आप इंडिया को कैप्टन कर रहे हो, and we are, Nikhil, let's not forget, India has lost a test match.
Yeah.
We are behind. Had we won the Pune test match, situation could have been different.
Yeah.
Would have been different rather. But this test match, Virat in our team, but not as a captain, vice captain. We go with Pujara as our vice captain. And the captain will be Ravichandran Ashwin.
So
आपको कोई शंका है इस बात पे?
नहीं, it's the same squad नहीं, captain vice captain.
No. Last time हमने विराट को vice रखा था.
Okay.
Yes. I just wanted to see in the first test match, but again, we go with Pujara this time.
Okay. The all-rounder spots?
Jadeja, Ashwin and O'Keefe, जबरदस्ती.
Because of the budget.
हाँ, बजट ही समझ लो आप. विकेट कीपर को मैं वापस वेड ले लूंगा क्योंकि अगेन 8.5 का चक्कर है मेरे ख्याल से.
Plus,
ताजुब की बात ये है, he contributed more than Ridhiman Saha in the first test match. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि रिपीट होने वाला है, लेकिन चांसेस तो है ना. एंड बॉलिंग ऑब्वियसली ईशांत शर्मा could be benched.
Okay.
Bhuvneshwar Kumar might get a chance. Jayant Yadav could be benched for Karun Nair.
Okay.
क्योंकि अब मानो या ना मानो, अगर आपकी जो बैटिंग लाइनअप है कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं करती, प्रेशर अपने आप पे आ जाता है. And that's where I feel the 7th batsman perhaps is needed for this match. And that's where I see Karun Nair coming in place of Jayant Yadav.
Okay.
Had it been a 1-0 series in our favor, we probably would have gone with the same team. No questions asked. But हार चुके हैं कुछ तो चेंज करना है और मेरे ख्याल में ये 2 चेंज तो बनते हैं, भुवनेश्वर फॉर ईशांत एंड करुण फॉर जयंत यादव.
No, but then bowling lineup would be?
उमेश,
Okay.
Ashwin, Jadeja and Bhuvneshwar.
And our fantasy bowling would be?
Only Umesh Yadav. And from
Stark.
Australia, I would pick Hazelwood and Mitchell Stark. एक डाउट था Nathan Lyon. But from what I saw in Pune, we struggled more against O'Keefe. Not to say it's going to happen again, but I feel Hazelwood on this kind of a wicket, who's going to bowl wicket to wicket, he's going to keep nagging you, and that's where I think a few edges will go along.
But I'll tell you what, you should not read more into Pune pitch. Because एक तो वो pitch horrible था. India has been, they have been fined.
फटका खाया ना?
हाँ.
$20,000.
So in that case, Lyon becomes a better bowler.
Good point.
In
very,
Bangalore.
Very, very good point. He's going to get that extra bounce also. But I just felt Josh Hazelwood has been a very consistent performer. He's going to hit. He's going to keep probing, Nikhil.
Yeah.
And when you probe, you ask questions. Eventually, you will get one your way. And he's very patient, persistent. He perseveres a lot. So I will pick him.
Okay. Hopefully India का fielding standards भी up हो गया रहेगा last
You
match
keep
से.
dropping them, he'll keep getting hundreds.
Yeah.
Somebody said this.
और DRS भी proper लेना चाहिए. So, हाथ के wickets होते हैं, हाथ के points होते हैं, but गलत DRS की वजह
Please
से.
don't write to us asking DRS के points होते हैं क्या? Please.
Yeah. That's what our review was for India versus Australia. One thing I wanted to talk from cricketing point of view, there would be a lot of pressure on Ajinkya Rahane. क्योंकि रोहित शर्मा ने ट्वीट कर दिया है कि वो विजय हजारे खेल रहा है.
Did you also see the two embracing each other in Bangalore?
रोहित शर्मा and नहीं, I didn't.
Yes. So there was a decent conversation in Marathi too.
Okay.
तुझ्यामुळे मला जागा भेटत नाही. So that was very cheeky. No, that's all. मेरा ये सब मैं मैन्युफैक्चर करता हूँ. वो कुछ बोला नहीं ऐसा. But I presume this could have happened.
Yeah.
Okay. So
both of these guys are Mumbai sweetheart. I mean, Ajinkya Rahane,
of course. And from
Ghatkopar, Borivali यार.
घाटकोपर कुठे आहे? डोंबिवली. हे कोपऱ्यात आणि बोरिवली कुठे आहे? दोन कनेक्शन. So it is. So people who are not from Bombay, we're talking about two extreme ends.
Yeah.
But obviously,
and that was Marathi, by the way. So, okay, chalo, moving on to South Africa versus New Zealand versus South Africa, the decider. काफी changes हुए हैं, throughout this series. Going ahead, how do we approach this?
Martin Guptill, उसने सबक सिखाया.
हाँ, he is a top class batsman यार. For New Zealand, not in terms of world cricket, but for New Zealand.
माना.
In ODIs, Martin Guptill is a good batsman.
चलो माना. तो हम उसको टीम में ले लेते हैं इस बार.
Okay,
ठीक है? केन विलियमसन ऑब्वियसली. मेरा ये मानना है, हशी मामला. दुनिया अलग सोचती है. ठीक है, उनका हक है. But I just feel pack your team with the top 4 South Africans, that is Faf, ABD, Quinton and Hashim Amla. And when it comes to New Zealand, obviously Guptill and Kane Williamson. I'm not too sure about
someone. Faf, ABD, Quinton.
I picked them all, man.
Hashim Amla.
We're talking about David Miller and JP Duminy.
No.
I don't want to go down that route. I've suffered once too often. Anyway, so then you talk about the all-rounder spot. There is Santner.
Yeah.
मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था क्रिस मॉरिस, Dwayne Pretorius, Wayne Parnell, Imran Tahir, Kagiso Rabada. There's a whole lot, man. There's a lot of confusion in their camp. Probably they're going to not experiment. This is again, logic says they should not experiment. It's a decider. Okay. Which means Felukuayo should not play.
Okay.
But strange things happen. And we are just presenting a situation to you. And we feel Chris Morris will play, Kagiso Rabada will play, Imran Tahir will play, and Parnell will play. But if there is a replacement, Felukuayo could come in. I don't know for whom. I don't know, because such has been the bizarre selection till now. Not to say that because the result जो भी हुआ, no, nothing of that sort. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपको कुछ शॉकर्स झेलने पड़ेंगे.
Okay.
आप बॉलिंग जितना कम हो सकता है लिमिटेड टू 3. आप सारा जो स्ट्रेंथ है ऑलराउंडर, कीपर और बैट्समैन यहाँ पे भर देना, और तब तक मेरे ख्याल में आपकी बजट भी खत्म हो जाएगी. बचा ही नहीं रहेगा कुछ. तो हमने ये सोचा है इट्स गोइंग टू बी एट ऑकलैंड एंड द ईडन ग्राउंड इज अ लिटिल फनी. इट्स अ रग्बी कम
multi-sports.
football,
Yeah, multi-sport.
cricket ground. Yeah, the dimensions are very, very unique. 55, 60. The pitch can be funny. Okay, like we saw in that World Cup game between Australia and New Zealand, 125. You remember that game? Yeah. So I feel AB de Villiers should come up. If I was Faf, I would say go up and bat. But again, we don't know. We'll have to wait and see. He's a fantastic guy for a captain or a vice captain candidate. But we go with Quinton de Kock. Do you see any? नहीं कोई doubt है?
Public वही बोलेगा last match 0.
यार साइलेंस बहुत पावरफुल चीज है, पता है तुमको?
But then you will go with Quinton de Kock as captain.
I will because of the smaller ground and the quick outfield, obviously, and he's going to attack Nikhil.
Yeah.
And that's where I pick him, and I pick Kane Williamson as my vice captain. You could ask me questions, why not ABD, why not Faf, why not somebody like a Guptill? यार आप मुझे बताओ, मार्टिन गप्टिल की परफॉर्मेंस देखो. मैं ठीक है, हमने गलती करी, उसे नहीं पिक किया, बट अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि वो दोबारा सेंचुरी मारेगा, दोबारा 70-80 मारेगा, यार मतलब ये to digest this is very difficult. Nikhil, when was the last time you saw somebody like a Guptill going crazy match after match? Please.
But he has been there, few of those, at least in ODIs. Okay, in Test his average is like
that's okay.
pathetic.
But okay, are you telling me we keep Guptill as a captain or a vice captain?
No, definitely not.
Okay, then there is the question of Ross Taylor.
Yeah.
तुम कहाँ खिलाओगे यार जो नंबर 4 नंबर 5 पे आता है? उसका रिकॉर्ड भी तुम बोलोगे 43-44 इन न्यूजीलैंड इज प्रीटी गुड, बट तुम 1 लीटर पेप्सी बोतल में 2 लीटर नहीं डाल सकते.
Yeah, that's true.
हाँ, ये लॉजिक अगर आपको समझ में आए तो जिंदगी प्यार से गुजरेगी.
Okay.
तो आप जरा सोचो कि इतने बजट में आप इतना ही कर सकते हो यार, सबको नहीं ले सकते हो.
Yeah, that's true. अच्छा, your bowling combination would be?
सऊदी, like I said, जीतन पटेल. अब देखो मजा आने वाला है. जीतन पटेल ने 2 विकेटें लिए, ठीक है. ये छोटा ग्राउंड है करके उसको एक्स बैठ सकता है. एक्स बैठा तो सऊदी भी अंदर आ सकता है. लेकिन फिर वो लॉजिक मेरे को नहीं समझ में आएगा, क्योंकि तुम एक स्पिनर को बोलते हो मत खेलो, दूसरे को खिलाते हो. या फिर मैट हेनरी, जिसने मेरे को लगता है उसने बॉलिंग करी नहीं है बहुत दिनों से. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई रेड फ्रॉम देयर. आई डोंट नो, आई कांट रिवील, बट this is the making of the preview of the match. Our bowling will be from South Africa, Dwayne Pretorius. I think it's a very safe bet. Wayne Parnell because of budget. Somebody like a Kagiso Rabada and one bowler from New Zealand, that would be Tim Southee.
Okay.
हमने हमेशा सऊदी के साथ persist किया. Throughout the series उसने deliver किया है. तो we are going to go with him.
Okay.
Santner will be their number 1 spinner.
Okay.
हम आपको ये भी बता दें.
So Santner will be the all-rounder spot.
Yes.
Santner with Pretorius.
Also, what I have to inform these guys is, or rather clarify, the choice of picking Neesham and Colin de Granholm. These guys don't always end up bowling 10 overs. Sometimes they just bowl 2 or 3 overs. I remember Colin's spell a few matches ago where he picked up 2 in 2. In the next match, he bowled 3 overs and then he wasn't called back.
Yeah.
So guys, please understand, हम जब सोचते हैं, लेते हैं, बहुत टाइम जाता है. ऐसे ही रैंडम सिलेक्शन नहीं करते हम. तो आपको अगर लेना है, कोई बैटिंग 6 पे आता है तो कोई डिमोट होता है, कोई प्रमोट होता है. तो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फैक्टर्स दैट गो into creating a team, and we have come up with this. Hopefully it serves you.
Guys, जब ये पॉडकास्ट चल रहा है तभी हम लोग को एक मैसेज आया कि PSL का पॉडकास्ट कब आएगा. तो PSL के लिए टाइम नहीं है. हमारे प्रोड्यूसर हमारे ऊपर गन रखे बैठे हुए हैं कि खत्म करो, अभी टाइम खत्म होने आया है. सो वील हैव टू रैप दिस अप. यू कैन फॉलो अस ऑन ट्विटर एंड फेसबुक. ट्विटर पे TFG Fantasy 11.
और आयरलैंड UAE कभी नहीं करेंगे.
हाँ, वो भी
सैटरडे संडे.
Yes, all this will
काम करते हैं लेकिन पॉडकास्ट नहीं करते हैं.
All this will be available on our website, thefangarage.com. Twitter पे TFG Fantasy 11. 11 is in Roman, XI, and Facebook पे Fantasy Pandit. You can listen to our podcast on IndusVox Media, SoundCloud, iTunes, Audio Boom, and definitely on YouTube. ये एक नया ऐप आया हुआ है Android पे. It is called as IVM app. IVM पॉडकास्ट ऐप. वहां पे भी आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो और हमारे पॉडकास्ट वहां पे भी आते हैं, तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन आता रहेगा. टिल देन, टेक केयर, कीप हंटिंग.
Hey man, just help me out, man. I need some podcast, man. I haven't had a fix in a week. Just need some.
Don't you worry about it. I got podcasts galore for you, man. Just go to ivmpodcast.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Thanks, man. I'm gonna check it out.